Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your email on DoorDash. It's super easy. First, open the DoorDash app on your phone or visit the DoorDash website. Tap Account at the bottom right corner. Go to Account Settings, then tap Account. Scroll down until you see your current email. Simply delete it and type in your new email address. Tap Save at the bottom of the screen to confirm your changes. And that's it. Your DoorDash email is now updated. And that's how to change your email on DoorDash. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.